Look, the earthquakes formed like Orion's belt. Started with this 8-pointer down here in Santa Cruz Island, and then they had all those aftershocks. Then Hawaii had a 2.6, and then this one was even smaller in California. I think it was a 1.3. Yeah, kind of trippy. Makes you wonder where the next one's going to be. And this 8.0 is all over our local news. They're reporting on it, and they're saying that the tsunami warning for Hawaii has been canceled. The watch, but there are islands in this vicinity that will be affected by it. Nobody really knows yet how bad it is over there, but the news is starting to come in. I got to grab something to eat. Everyone have a good evening. Aloha.